Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share the process of creating my interpretation of botanical style illustration of juicy blueberries. For this project I will be using Faber-Castell mixed media paper, Faber-Castell art eraser, a set of mechanical pencils, water and fade proof pigment ink, different size brushes, colored pencils, and Winsor & Newton watercolor paints. I bought it recently. I really enjoy painting with them. It's professional travel size watercolor, vibrant saturated colors, easy to use, doesn't take much space in your bag or suitcase if you decided to take it with you on your vacation. Okay, let's get started and see how it all came together. I'm doing a quick sketch of the whole composition with mechanical pencil first. Then I moved on to watercolors. I applied light washes of blue for blueberries. Carefully taking off extra paint with dry clean brush. Then I moved on to leaves and I started with yellow hue and gradually painted green on the top while yellow was still wet. I used a mix of blues and purples, gradually building up the colors to create a natural look. When first layer of green paint on leaves dried, I painted darker green on the top to create more realistic look. In some part of this painting, I've decided to draw berries just with pencil and not color them in with watercolors. I want to experiment and see how it will all look together on one piece of paper, combining watercolors and pencil drawing. At the end of the day, it's all part of the learning process, and most importantly, I enjoyed creating this piece every step of the way. After everything dried, I created shadow effect using Payne's Grey, Winsor Blue and a touch of purple. Then I enhanced the illustration with colored pencils. This step adds depth and texture, making the blueberries appear more three-dimensional. I used a range of blues, purples and pinks for the berries, carefully shading to emphasize their roundness and the subtle variations in color. Then I've decided to use ink pen. It adds a bold contrast that makes the details pop in the final piece. The final touch was adding highlights with white gouache. This step brings the illustration to life, giving the blueberries a glossy, realistic appearance. Here's the finished illustration of blueberries. From the watercolor washes, to colored pencil details, to ink and final gouache highlights, each step adds its own unique element to the piece. As a bonus, I would like to share my early work that I created many years ago. It's also mixed media, but it employs only watercolor and ink. Thank you so much for joining me on this creative journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art content. I'd love to see your interpretations, so tag me on social media if you create something similar. Happy painting and see you next time!